How to clean a throttle body. A dirty throttle body could be the reason why your automobile idles roughly. The throttle body regulates how much air the engine takes in, and when it's unclean, the engine can't idle properly. Therefore, think about spending 10 minutes cleaning the throttle body yourself using a spray can of throttle body cleanser and paper towels before you take the car to the shop. Performing a throttle body cleaning on your own could help you save a ton of money, and there's a strong chance you'll solve the issue. Setting up. Tools and materials needed for throttle body cleaning include a screwdriver, throttle body cleaner, a clean cloth, and a new throttle body gasket. Park your car in a well-lit area outside. Do not attempt this task indoors due to the volatile nature of throttle body cleaners. Locate the throttle body between the air cleaner and intake manifold under the hood. It is often made of aluminum and connected to the gas pedal. Avoid interfering with any electrical wires connected to the throttle body. Take necessary safety precautions, including avoiding smoking, wearing protective gear, and being mindful of the flammable spray cleaner. Cleaning the throttle body. Park your car in an area outside where you will have plenty of space to access the engine compartment on each side. Disconnect the negative, ground battery terminal of your car as a safety measure. Find and mark any hoses that connect to the throttle body or to the air ducts you need to remove to reach the throttle body. You may either buy specialized labeling tape that makes it easier for you to remember which hose goes with which nozzle coupling, or you can use masking tape to mark each hose and coupling. Remove the air duct that is connected to the throttle body. Typically, a hose clamp of some kind is used to secure the air duct to the throttle body. This clamp can be released with a screwdriver, Torx head wrench, Allen wrench, or other hand tool. In some cases, the air duct must be gently pulled and twisted out of the way in order to be removed. Do not continue with this task if you are unable to remove the air ducts and expose the throttle body. Let a qualified technician complete the work for you. With the air duct removed, spray the throttle body cleaner directly into the throttle body. Make sure to spray the cleaner on the throttle plate and the surrounding interior surfaces. Be very careful not to allow anything, including the thin plastic spray nozzle, to fall into the hole of the throttle body. Use paper towels to sometimes clean the residue. Continue doing this until the internal surfaces are completely bare and metal clean. Put a drop of household all-purpose oil on the shafts of the throttle shaft where it enters the throttle body before replacing the throttle body ducts. Don't go overboard when applying the oil. Just a small amount will help keep the throttle blade rotating smoothly. Use a little cotton swab. It should be fine with one drop. To clean up any residue and fluids that might have gotten on the engine or the surrounding components, use extra paper towels. Reinstall the throttle body ducts and tighten the hose clamps to the same level as previously. Put simply, aim to tighten the fastener with the equal amount of force you applied to loosen it. Reconnect the battery and start the engine after you have secured everything and taken anything under the hood. As the cleaner fluid and any residue that may have gotten into the intake manifold are burned out, you can feel a first stumble or even a rough idle. For a few minutes, leave the engine idling. Then go for a test drive in your car. Regularly cleaning your car's throttle body is essential for long-term reliability, even though you may not notice an immediate difference in performance. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.